We know that traveling and leaving your business behind to attend training is not always possible, so we make it easy. Laticrete University is the industry's first e-learning program presenting important industry and product information in short, easy segments that can be taken at your own pace. Anytime online, 24/7. Laticrete University training modules are short, fun, and easy to understand. Laticrete's self-registering and self-paced trainings allow you to start, stop, and continue at any time that's convenient to you. Laticrete University's ever-growing library of subjects cover both Laticrete product knowledge and construction industry standards. Now anyone in your company can benefit from trainings that were once only possible during live events. Visit our website at www.laticreteuniversity.com for course topics and to register for your free training today.
Hello and welcome to Tile TV. I'm your host, Jennifer Riley. The National Tile Contractors Association is pleased to announce it is spearheading a new initiative to be unveiled at Coverings 2018. With the support of show management and the board of directors, the NTCA will be coordinating the all-new installation experience at the show, taking place May 7th through the 10th at the Georgia World Congress Center in Atlanta, Georgia. Representatives of Certified Tile Installer, or CTI, and Advanced Certifications for Tile Installers, or ACT, will participate in this program aimed at promoting installation quality and professionalism and its importance to the growth of the tile industry. The installation experience will have several components and will be located adjacent to the Contractors Lounge in the TCNA Pavilion at the show. The Installation Design Showcase, NTCA booth, and live demonstration stage will also be located in this area, offering attendees a unique opportunity to interact with volunteers and leaders from the NTCA and the CTI and ACT program. The experience will be set up in a museum-like fashion and will walk visitors through the booth, teaching them about installation and certification every step of the way. Dedicated educational sessions in the Contractors Lounge will support this effort, as well as an audio tour and show, and created multimedia videos and posters that will be located in the experience area. The NTCA and Covering Show Management hopes to build off of this inaugural program and expand on it at Coverings 2019 in Orlando. Please stay tuned for more after this from our sponsor.
In an industry first, MAPE has bundled color technology with artistic knowledge to develop an expanded 40-color palette divided into 5 color collections. Each color collection captures a refreshed range of color trends and is themed with a distinct personality. What hue perfectly expresses your style? Let MAPE's expanded color palette ignite your imagination with design possibilities. Learn more by visiting www.mape.com.
Welcome back. Our second story features NTCA Training Director Mark Heinlein helping installers with another useful tip in this segment, Question Mark.
Hi everybody and welcome to Question Mark. One of the questions I frequently get is, why should I become a member of the NTCA? Who's in that organization anyway? Well, today I'm lucky to be here with a group of NTCA members that is just outstanding. Let's meet this gentleman to my right.
Hi, my name is Scott Lambert. I'm with Big City Tile and Stone. We're based out of the South Metro, Minneapolis-St. Paul area, and we've been an NTCA member now for about 8 years.
Hello, I'm Dave Karp with Tile Fusion in Minneapolis. I've been a member of the NTCA since 2009. Tile and Stone is a very technical trade we are involved with, and the NTCA gives me the resources to stay on top of education and knowledge.
I'm Dan Holcomb with the Tile Shop Pro Market. Proud to be here. You know, the NTCA is an amazing resource for our community to raise the bar of qualified labor, to network with quality installers, and continue to make tile last a lifetime.
Hi, I'm Joe Kerber Tile, Marble and Stone, just south of the Twin Cities here in Minnesota. I've been in NTCA for a long time. I'm on several committees. I'm also the CTI's regional evaluator for this area, and I hope to see a lot of you in the near future.
Hi, I'm Mary Shaw Olson, and I actually work for the NTCA in the advertising department. I sell ads for Tile Letter magazine and work for all the wonderful advertisers that support our magazine. And this is one of them, our large format Tile Letter Trends, which will be at the Coverings show in May.
Hi, I'm Jan Hahn from Hahn & Hahn Tile, and I'm located in St. Paul, Minnesota. And I have been a member for also a very long time of the NTCA. And I can tell you, when I joined, I didn't become active right away, but then a few years later I did, and what a world of difference. The NTCA opens your eyes to the tile industry, the global tile industry. Also, the networking that's available with other contractors throughout the country is just amazing. So joining the NTCA is really a cool deal.
Hi, I'm Jim Olson, Assistant Executive Director for the National Tile Contractors Association. As you just heard from these guys and two ladies that we have right here, education is very important. And what we're all about is training and education, qualified labor, certified installers, which is really important to our industry. We really want to make sure that we're installing these beautiful products the most correct way and with methods and standards of our industry to make sure that they're installed correctly. I think I said that twice, but there you go.
Yeah.
Very important.
Very important.
CTI 220.
CTI 1112. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in to Question Mark. Like Jim and Jan and all of these people said, get out, get some training, join your professional association. You will be glad you did. If you're a tile professional, it's the National Tile Contractors Association. We'll see you next time on Question Mark.
Thank you for watching this episode of Tile TV. We'll be back soon, so stay tuned.